use of tape in a clinical setting is an everyday occurrence. There are several different types of medical-grade adhesives available, each with their own usage and application considerations. Opting for an adhesive that's not right for that clinical situation may lead to medical adhesive-related skin injuries, also known as Marcie. I'm here with Jen Hansen, 3M Product Specialist. Jen, can you tell me what Marcie is and how to spot it?
Sure. Marcie can be a serious complication that occurs across all care settings and age groups. It's been found to affect skin integrity, cause pain, increase risk of infection, and delay healing, all of which reduce a patient's quality of life. But fortunately, it is something that can be managed and prevented if dealt with correctly. Examples include skin stripping, tension injuries or blisters, skin tears, irritant contact dermatitis, allergic dermatitis, maceration, and folliculitis. In some cases, there can be no visible trauma, but in other cases, the trauma can be more obvious. It's important that clinicians across all care settings know how to select the right type of medical tape that suits both the needs of the patient and the clinical application while still using proper application and removal techniques.
Oh, no, that's an interesting point. Now let's talk a little bit more about the different medical adhesives and tape options that are available. Now, I've always thought that all tapes were the same.
Actually, tapes can differ quite a bit depending on the adhesive and backing that they're made up of. Historically, most tapes were created with a natural rubber latex-based adhesive. As time went by, there was a push to develop latex-free adhesives due to concerns about allergies and sensitization. Subsequently, a new class of adhesives emerged, those based on acrylate polymers. Within the chemical formulation process, such adhesives can be tuned to create different levels of adhesion. When coupled with a unique backing material, you are able to create a variety of tapes that have a wide range of clinical application. The ability to change the adhesion properties of acrylate-based adhesives by tailoring their composition allows us to create tapes that have a varying degree of stickiness. Let me show you a simple demo to illustrate this concept. This is the rolling tack test. Here we have a track, which you roll a ball down to the adhesives at their end of the track. The stickier the adhesive, the shorter the distance the ball will travel. We have 4 different acrylate-based adhesives. Here we have micropore, metapore, transpore, and durapore. As you can see, though they're all acrylate-based, they have different adhesion properties.
Can you give us some examples of when acrylate tapes are ideally suited?
Sure. Due to the fact that adhesion properties can be customized and finely tuned when combined with unique backing materials, acrylate tapes are suitable for most medical applications. For instance, 3M Durapore tape is a silk-like cloth tape with strong adhesion that adheres well to dry skin. This is a great option for securing bulky dressings, heavier tubing, or small splints. 3M Transpore white tape, on the other hand, is a gentler tape with moderate to strong adhesion that is water resistant. These characteristics make it perfect for securing dressings to damp skin, securing tubing, or when repeated taping is necessary.
Well, now recently 3M introduced a new tape, one which uses silicone adhesive on a paper backing. Now, what makes this tape different, Jen?
Silicone-based tapes use a different class of polymer as compared to acrylate adhesives. Because of this, they behave differently on skin. Tapes, such as the 3M Kind Removal tape, are unique in that they have high adhesion but remove gently from the skin. They can be an excellent choice for securing lightweight dressings on at-risk skin, including newborn and geriatric patients. Additionally, because of the unique chemistry of the adhesive, it can be removed and reapplied without losing significant ability to adhere to the skin. Because of its gentle release, silicone-based tapes are a great solution when repeated application is necessary.
So in summary, there is no one-size-fits-all medical adhesive product. The most appropriate tape for any application should be determined by the unique needs of the patient and the clinical situation.
Exactly. These are all important factors in selecting the proper medical adhesive to use. For more information about proper adhesive selection, recommended application usage, and removal techniques, click here.
Now, you can also download the findings from a consensus panel of 23 global experts that convened to address best practices for mitigating and treating Marcie incidents. Well, thanks for watching.